Welcome to Taylor's. I'm Stu. I'll be your technician today. Today let's talk about engine air filters. Replacing your engine air filter is crucial to the engine because that's what gets its clean air from. If you have a dirty air filter or any debris or sticks or rodent's nests whatsoever in there, it'll definitely affect the way your engine performs. On most engines, your engine air filter will be pretty much right on top, but there's a lot of engines that can be buried deep or hard to really get at home. But what we recommend is every time you get your vehicle serviced or an oil change, make sure they always check your air filter. You always want a clean air filter for your engine. So let's take a look at this air filter. As you can see, this one was replaced not too long ago, but it is starting to get a little bit dirty. I would say about 2 more oil changes and this one will have to be replaced.